Oh, hello. I was just gaming on the MSI Claw. I'm Brian Westover with PC Mag, and we're here at CES checking out the latest tech and the gadgets you know you want. And this is definitely one of them, the MSI Claw. This is not the first handheld gaming PC we've seen, but it is the first we've seen with Core Ultra processing. It's got an Intel Core Ultra 7 in this model. Base model starts with a Core Ultra 5, starts at $699. Just as important, Intel Arc graphics inside, powering all of your games. It's made for gaming, but it's a full Windows PC. It's running Windows under all of this. Then it has an added user interface that'll let you access all of your games and all of your game stores. Steam, Ubisoft, Xbox, Epic, EA, Battle.net, the whole gang is here. So any game you have, you can play it on the MSI Claw, thanks to the high-powered hardware inside. It's also going to look great on this 7-inch Full HD display. It's 120 Hz refresh rate. Plus, inside, it's running Wi-Fi 7. So the fastest connectivity you can get, you're going to get it on the Claw. MSI has learned a great deal from the other handhelds on the market. The cooling is top-notch on this. This will stay cooler than most of the handhelds we've seen. There's a desktop dock you can get. It's a stand. It's a port replicator. On the back, we've got a full selection of ports. There's HDMI, USB. It connects via Thunderbolt to the Claw. So it's not a wireless connection to the machine, but you can have this set up and use it as a productivity machine. It's incredibly flexible in terms of what you can do with this machine. Starting price is $699 for the Core Ultra 5 model. This one's Core Ultra 7. We're excited to learn more about this, and we'll tell you all about it. So stay tuned with us. We're PC Mag. We're going to be at CES all week, so stick with us.